Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how to fetch the 52 weeks high-low data from NSE using Python. Okay, and as usual, let's go to the nseindia.com. In market data menu, click on daily market reports. That's where the 52 weeks data is available. Today is 26th January, which is a leave. So we're going to fetch 25th Jan data. Okay, let's go down and get the 52 weeks high-low report over here. Okay, it's in the form of a CSV file, as you can see over here. When you click on download, it's going to automatically get the CSV file downloaded. But what we are going to do is we're going to actually get this CSV file download link, and we are going to download it automatically from our Python and use it in our Python environment. Okay, so when I click on this, it is actually triggering another tab and it's actually downloading the file for me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do a small inspection over here to see which link where the file is residing. Yeah, I got the link over here. So I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to open another incognito window because I just wanted to get the cookie information for the file. Okay, so let's just keep it intact. I'm not going to actually open it. I'm not going to open it right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to uh, open the uh, developer tools from the incognito window. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this is NSE when we are using the normal window, it's not actually going to give us the header variables for the link. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to open the incognito window and we are going to open the dev tools from there and we are going to get the information. Okay, let's click on enter now. Once you click on enter now, it is actually going to ask for the download option. So yeah, we have downloaded the file, but the interesting and important part is actually in the dev tools. You can see the header variables and all and how to fetch the data over here. Okay, so as you can see over here, we have an option called accept and we have the request URL over here, which is nothing but the CSV link. And there is another user agent over here, accept language over here. We are looking at English and we're going to get the user and auto encoding is actually important to make sure that it is actually coming in the right format. So as we have gotten all these information, what we are going to do is we're going to create the header variable and we are going to place the URL also in the Python environment and we are going to start the development. Okay, so let's create the uh, URL and the request headers first. Okay, so the URL is nothing but the CSV file link which I have mentioned, and we have gotten all the headers data copied. Okay, we're simply just copy pasting all the information we have found over here and we have created a header variable for it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on enter and let's import all the necessary packages also first. Okay, we have created the variable above, so don't worry, let's just import the packages right down below. So we are going to use the imports request package, pandas package, and the string IO. String IO meaning whenever we place a request for a CSV file in an HTTP request, usually it comes as a text file. I'm sorry, a text. So what we are going to do is we're going to do some manipulation over here to actually get the data in a proper format. So although it's mentioned as CSV, it is actually not, the output is not CSV over here. Okay, so let's import all the necessary packages over here. And the next step, what we are going to do is we're going to create the response variable and see how the data is there. Okay, I'm going to create a response variable. I'm going to do a request.get to get the um, data, and I'm going to give the headers which we have created just above, and we are going to use the string IO to actually parse the string over here. Okay, so let's do this, and once you click on data, you will be able to see the string IO option. Okay, so let's actually do this. You can actually get the response text directly from here. So if you see over here, the data is here, but it is in a text-like format. So let me drag down and yeah, as you can see over here, we are seeing the data in a text format and we are seeing some junk characters, useless texts and all over here. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to do a replace function in order to remove all the useless values, and we are going to get only the data we require. Okay, so let's actually create a replace function. Before that, let's select the unnecessary data. Okay, let's select the data like this. It will take some time to understand because I have already went through the data and I got to know that there are about 6 columns over here. Let me drag it slowly to so that you can see. Okay, I went too far. Okay, let me go over here. Yeah, let me slowly actually drag. Okay, now you will be able to see. You can see the symbol series adjusted a week, 52-week high, low, date, and all. So we have like 6 columns over here. So whatever it is before these 6 columns is actually junk, which is not at all needed. Okay, so let's select that text and I'm going to copy it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put a response.text.replace. Okay, and I'm going to replace the text with the blank. Okay, so let's paste the uh, data over here. I'm sorry, let's paste the text over here. And once you click on select enter, we will have the data in the perfect format. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply do a df dot read CSV from the data. Now the data will be in a parsed format, which will be perfect for uh, turning it into a data frame. Okay, and now we have the data perfectly. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do a df head. Perfect, isn't it? We got the symbol, we got the series, we got the adjusted high data and the date at which it was at high and 52-week low, and the amount, the 52 low date also over here. So you can play around using the series mentioned over here, equity, BE and all. You can select and play around. So let's see how much of data we have gotten. Okay, shape. So we have gotten about 2,189 stocks is information over here, and we can use it we can use it for analysis. Okay, and that's it. So if you are someone actually who is interested in stock market, you can follow me. And if you are interested in seeing how to get commodity data like crude oil or gold or silver data, please comment yes in this video. I will know that you are interested in this topic. Or if you are not interested in those and you have your own interest or requirement, please place it under the uh, in the comments, and I'll know, and I'll actually interact with you and create a video on the same. Okay, thanks, and yeah, follow, subscribe, and like this video. And if you are someone who's interested in these kind of topics, you will be really interested to know more in the future. So yeah, please subscribe. Thank you.